on the ocean floor, crawling slowly across coral reefs and rocky seabeds, is something that looks almost unreal. Bright blue, electric orange, neon purple. It looks like a piece of living art. This is the nudibranch, one of the most colorful and fascinating creatures in the sea. Small, soft-bodied, and full of surprises. Nudibranchs are sea slugs, marine gastropod mollusks. The name nudibranch means naked gills, referring to the feathery breathing structures often visible on their backs. Unlike many snails, nudibranchs don't have shells as adults. Without a hard shell for protection, you might think they're defenseless. But they've evolved something even more powerful: chemistry. Those incredible colors aren't just for beauty, they're warnings. Bright colors in nature often signal danger, a concept called aposematism. Many nudibranchs are toxic. Some absorb toxins from the prey they eat, like sponges or sea anemones. Others can store the stinging cells of jellyfish and use them for their own defense. Imagine eating something dangerous and turning its weapons into your shield. That's exactly what some nudibranchs do. Predators quickly learn bright colors mean, "Don't eat me." Nudibranchs are picky eaters. Many species feed on only one type of prey. Some eat sponges, others feed on coral, hydroids, or even other nudibranchs. They use a ribbon-like tongue called a radula, covered in tiny teeth, to scrape or tear their food. This specialized diet is part of why there are more than 3,000 known species, each adapted to a specific niche in the ocean, slow-moving but highly specialized. On their backs, many nudibranchs have feathery plumes, their gills. These delicate structures extract oxygen from the water. At the front of their bodies are two horn-like organs, called rhinophores. These aren't horns, they're chemical sensors. They detect scents in the water, helping the nudibranch find food and mates. In a world where vision is limited, scent is everything. Nudibranchs are hermaphrodites. Each individual has both male and female reproductive organs, but they still need a partner. When two nudibranchs meet, they exchange genetic material. Later, they lay delicate spirals or ribbons of eggs attached to rocks or coral. From those eggs hatch tiny larvae, drifting in the plankton before settling onto the reef. And the cycle begins again. Not all nudibranchs are brightly colored. Some blend perfectly with their surroundings. They mimic the exact shape and color of the coral or sponge they live on. To predators, they're invisible. To divers, they're treasures. Underwater photographers often search carefully for these tiny gems hidden in plain sight. Nudibranchs may be small, they may move slowly, but they are among the most extraordinary creatures in the ocean. They turn poison into protection. They glow with warning colors. They survive without shells, living proof that survival doesn't always require speed or size. Sometimes it requires creativity. The next time you imagine the ocean, think beyond sharks and whales. Some of its greatest wonders are only a few inches long. Tiny, brilliant, unforgettable. If you enjoyed exploring the world of nudibranchs, like this video, share it with someone who loves the ocean, and subscribe BrightMinds for more incredible wildlife stories from beneath the waves.